Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing iTunes and ensuring no device is syncing. This prevents corrupt backups. Create the new backup folder and choose whether it's on the same drive or an external HDD because speed and availability matter. Once done, locate the original iTunes backup path and copy that path somewhere safe. You'll use it if you need to revert. This first step avoids mistakes and preserves your current backups before changing any system links. Now move the existing backup folder into the new destination, keeping the folder name exact. Next, open Terminal or Command Prompt. On macOS, use lns new path, original path, and on Windows, use mclink/j original path, new path to create a junction. You do this because iTunes requires the original path but the data lives elsewhere. The link bridges that gap. After creating the link, check that the link resolves to the new folder. Finish by launching iTunes and performing a quick test backup to confirm files land in the new folder. If the backup fails, make sure the junction or symlink has correct permissions and that paths have no typos. Also confirm external drives are mounted. You can revert by closing iTunes, removing the link, and moving the folder back to the original location. One key troubleshooting tip. If permissions block writing, run Terminal or Command, prompt as admin and recreate the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.